Okay. Hello, everybody. Sorry if I break the mic, but as you can see, I haven't uploaded in a while actually. And as you can see, I've upgraded a lot. I stopped playing for a while, and during those times where I wasn't posting, I like at first I was over obsessed with this game. I was doing everything. And I couldn't make any videos about it because I was usually doing it with my bestie, and I always wanted to use my voice, blah blah blah, because I didn't want to type. So I upgraded a lot. Yeah. So I have a lot of newbies. Since I haven't played in a while, I can't really explain everything. But of course, I'm saving up for Royal Jelly because I found out I could do that finally. And I need to look at my quests because I forgot. You're right. Black Bear is torturing me. Oh my, what was that? Oh my god, I forgot about that evil stick bug thing. I hate it. Raise a bee to level 6, I need to do that. Feed 50 treats to my bees. You're killing me. Use 3 royal jellies, so I still need to do that. And I have to defeat 2 spiders, which I think I can go to kill another one now. So I'm just slowly working away at tasks, so hold on, I think I need it. Yep, okay. Kill the spider. Oh my gosh. Yes. Why can't one level up to level 6? But as you can see, I upgraded way too much, so to explain. I just want to finish tasks at this point. That's all I want to do. Oh yeah, I unlocked the pineapple area up here because I got 10 bees. It's a sunflower field. More blueberries for me. What other tasks do I have? Even though I just looked at them. Royal jelly, okay. It's more of Mama Bear's tasks, I believe. I haven't played this in forever, so Spider Slayer, Demon Slayer. It's definitely the same thing. Let's do Strawberry Field. Oh my god, I just realized I can collect 62,000. Paul. It just hit. Oh gosh. I'm sorry if I just killed anybody wearing earbuds or earphones. Anything. Because that is just sad. I accidentally picked up the rage coin. I'm purposely going to all these because sometimes they do stuff for me. So. Oh yeah, I have 63,000 honey. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I should get another egg or whatsoever. I should probably spend it on more treats. I only have about 22 pineapple. That is insane. Maybe I could use it to level things up. That just hidden. That just is something. Wait, hidden. Oh, ladybug spawn. Oh, I ain't gonna touch you. How? I'm sorry if anybody's wearing headphones right now. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and get some treats because I can't get that anymore. Leave shop. Okay, I just wasted a bunch of money. But you know, it's not going all to waste, even though I have 9 treats. No. I'm saving it for Royal Jelly and y'all can't stop me. Jesus, that's really expensive. Oops. Oh, where am I going? So I need to get over here. Sorry if I'm making any loud noises. I can't really hear myself right now. So I'm just gonna feed all of you.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, I'm just gonna move rooms real quick. Okay, I might not have as much internet in here, but you know what, it's fine. I'll just move back into that room. Once my dad's done doing whatever he's doing, I need to make sure my microphone is on real quick. Yup, it's on. Okay. Yay. I just realized I got a bunch more. So I need to raise a bee to level 6. Eh. Ha. Okay. Oops. What the heck is happening? I don't know what I just did. I didn't know I could feed it to them. I don't know if I was supposed to do that or what the heck just happened. Okay, I can use the honey dispenser. Thank you. Now me fast. Speed. Might as well collect some sunflower field while I'm here. Why are my geese sad? Am I doing something wrong? Okay. This is very boring. Okay. I'm gonna spend more money on, you guessed it, treats. How many trees is that? 6. Oops. I don't know what that just did. I'm sort of losing my brain right now. What the heck just happened? I just got money. I'm going back to my hive. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to my hive. And while making honey, what is a moon charm? Increases bond. I want to bond with my honeybee. Yeah. Treat. It deserves it all. Okay, I fed 37 treats to my bees. Means I need to do 23 more. I am bad at math, so yeah. I'll just get a few more. Because I have all this money and I don't know what to do with it. There, I'm broke. 8 treats, alright. Pretty good. I'm lagging. Oh my god. Oh, dang it. Yay. 5 more? Are you kidding me? I only have 20%. And, yep. Why did I have a feeling that was gonna happen? And something else just happened. I'm just gonna... What the... This is sus. Okay, so well, I think I'm gonna end it here. And then I'm gonna start a new video. So yeah, I'll see you guys after.